Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to hold a Nintendo 64 controller properly. This will be a full tutorial for absolute beginners, so let's get right into this instructional video. Okay, essentially this is a Nintendo 64 controller. I am, at the time of filming this at least, 37 years old, so I grew up with the N64. And I'm going to show you my way of what I consider to be holding the Nintendo 64 controller properly, okay? So as you can see, it's a very unique controller design. The N64 was like the first of its era to do something like this, as far as I know, okay? And it's like a triple grip. I think it's called like a trident style or something like that. Don't quote me on that. Well, I guess you can quote me on that because I just said it on video, but you get what I'm trying to say. I'm not 100% sure, but I remember something like someone saying it's like a trident style, okay? Which kind of makes sense, okay? But anyways, this is how you hold the controller properly. Essentially, your right hand, okay, is always going to go where the buttons are over here. Your right hand is always going to go where the buttons are, okay? And your left hand is going to alternate depending on what type of game you're playing. If you're playing something with the joystick, it's going to go in the middle. You also have access to the Z button if you do that, okay? If you're playing a game that requires the D-pad, the directional pad, it's going to go to the left. And you still have access to the Z button, but you got to extend your finger out a little bit, okay? So your right hand stays stationary all the time. Your left hand is going to go like this, okay? I've also seen some people hold it like this and then go like that, and that's fine too. But in my opinion, that's, like your thumb is probably going to get a little bit tired. So in my opinion, the way to hold a Nintendo 64 controller properly is right hand staying stationary, okay? And left hand either going in the middle or on the outside. In the middle, you have easier access to the Z button. On the outside, you have easier access to the L button. So plan accordingly, okay? And that's basically it. Simple tutorial for holding a Nintendo 64 controller. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.